Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna play Roblox Hunting Season, a game about hunting animals. Alright, let's now hunt animals. Found a red fox. Shot it in the butt. Rest in peace, buddy. Never mind, I got it in the tail. Great score, though. Found a moose! Missed! Why is it charging at me? Bro isn't a bear. Butt shot! Another one. Bro is telling his mate. Welp, rip. Hi. Missed again! Yes. My first time seeing one of these fall off? I guess this is all overall a coyote, 2 mooses. Subscribe for the next video.